Shusmitha Kundu's story is a true testament to the transformative power of the central government's skill development initiatives. She hails from Maharashtra Mandal, Bilaspur in Chhattisgarh, and her academic journey is quite impressive. Starting with an ITI in ICT-SM trade, she advanced to CITS, focusing on computer hardware networking maintenance, and rounded off her formal education with a BCA during 2021-2022 academic session.
Hi, I am Shusmitha Kundu from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I did a ITI course in 2018 to 20 session, ICT-SM trade. ICT-SM in Information Communication Technology System Maintenance. After that, I did NSTI lo CITS course, Craft Instructor Training Institute lo. CHNM trade I did a Computer Hardware and Networking Management. Simultaneously, I did a BCA course in between of ITI and NSTI. I did Government Model ITI Koni from Bilaspur.
The turning point in Shusmitha's career came from her training at NSTI Ramantapur. This institution not only equipped her with critical skills but also helped her land a coveted job as a network operation engineer at Act Fibernet in Hyderabad, which is known as one of the top broadband companies in the country.
After then 2021 I completed CITS course. Now my job is in ACT Fibernet from last 2 years. After completing my CITS course, as a fresher only I did in Act Fibernet.
Shusmitha speaks very highly of NSTI Ramantapur. She calls it the #1 institute for learning about computer hardware and networking in India. According to her, what makes NSTI stands out is how they balance theoretical knowledge with practical skills. She also appreciates the supportive staff and the encouraging learning environment there.
I went for World Skill Competition through the NSTI. So there I represent Telangana state. Regional also I went, but regional anyhow I not passed out. But in state level I am the winner at that time, World Skill Competition 2021. I applied for COPA and ICT-SM. In ICT-SM, what in COPA you will go all software. In ICT-SM, hardware plus networking, both you should learn there. In ITI also, the guys are suggest our engineering drawing, how engineering drawing is there. So maximum it will cover your theoretical and practical knowledge. 75% they will give you a practical knowledge. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Shusmitha is immensely grateful for the CITS course she completed at NSTI Ramantapur, Hyderabad. Her journey vividly illustrates the effectiveness of the central government's ITI programs, which are crafted to arm students like her with the necessary skills to excel in specialized technical fields.